Amakhosi to pursue Bongani Zungu and Percy Tau as January transfer window nears. With the January PSL transfer window around the corner, Amakhosi fans have a reason to be excited as the club is reportedly in talks with two South African stars, Bongani Zungu and Percy Tau. Both players boast impressive credentials, having previously represented Mamelodi Sundowns and made international moves in their careers. Here is a closer look at what could be in store for Chiefs as they aim to bolster their squad. Sources close to Kaizer Chiefs revealed that the club's interest in midfielder Bongani Zungu is genuine, but contingent upon certain conditions. Chiefs would need to create space within their roster by loaning out current midfielders Swangiseni Ox Mtetwa and Samkelo Zwane have emerged as the two most likely players to move to accommodate Zungu. The source shared this with Soccer Laduma. There has been interest in Bongani Zungu from Kaizer Chiefs, but a lot needs to change at the club for the signing to materialize. They are considering loaning out players like Mtetwa or Zwane to make room for Zungu's arrival. Kaizer Chiefs want to capitalize on his experience, but they need the right setup to bring him in. Chiefs' recent decision to part ways with their 11 million rand midfielder suggests they may be preparing for Zungu's arrival, inching one step closer to making the transfer a reality. Percy Tau's name has also surfaced as potential signing, with both Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns expressing interest in the Bafana Bafana's attacker. Currently with the Egyptian giant Al Ahly, Tau has reportedly been advised to seek a new club if he wishes to rejoin the South African national team. Chiefs' need for a dynamic forward could make Tau an ideal fit, although Al Ahly has yet to confirm any contact from Chiefs or Sundowns. Several factors make a Tau move plausible. Chiefs are actively seeking an attacker to sharpen their front line, and Tau's availability could align perfectly with the club's ambitions. As speculation mounts, Amakhosi supporters will be watching closely to see if these rumors turn into reality. Should these transfers come through, Chiefs could be in for a significant boost as they chase glory in the upcoming season. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.